Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you one of my projects. This is uh, a written in Python password manager that you can use remotely on your server because it uses Curses library that it's actually a terminal or text-based user interface. So let's check it out, and we can go to my HP 19 remote server and what is this? TS. Can create this one. Okay. And here I'm gonna install it from my GitHub repository. I'm doing git clone https://github.com/x0618/mypass and do cd mypass. And now I will see files here. Okay, let's install virtual environment for our project. I can do Python -m, I think, v dot env. It's gonna be my virtual environment. It will create it in a few seconds because I'm gonna install a couple of libraries that I'm gonna use that are required for this project. I'm gonna do first source. It's .venv, yeah, .venv being activated, and now I can do pip install. I need cryptography ph1, and I need Piper clip. So cryptography will be used for encrypting passwords to store them on the database and decrypt them if we need to see the password. And also paperclip, it will not work remotely, but if you're using this app on your local machine, it will work because it requires the display and like a graphical environment, but it will not work via SSH. So let's try to start our project. Python Python main.py. And we see this is actually a graphical user interface, terminal or text user interface. This is a keyword. The first thing, we're using keyword to encrypt password to store it on the database and also to decrypt it. You can use the same keyword for all your password, all your database, or use different keywords for different cases. It's absolutely up to you. So for testing, let's gonna do key, for example, and here we can create our first website. First, I'm gonna show you if I press H, we will see this little help message. It will show how to use the program. It's actually keyboard keys that we can use to control this interface. K to enter keyword. If I press W, I can enter website. L for logging, P to show password, C to copy password, G generate password or edit it, S to save it, D delete, up and down arrows to navigate in select windows, and Q to quit the program. So let's set the website, for example, test.com, and login for this website, like my login. And we don't have password yet. And let's generate it, and we can edit it here as well. And S for save, and we'll see that password has been saved for this website and with this login. So this database that works with this app actually has two tables. In the first tables are our website stored, and in the second one, credentials. So each website can have many credentials like login and password pairs. We can create another login for this website, like my login and second login example and generate. I pressed quit accidentally or did something wrong. Okay, now I'm back and generate password for that. Press enter, press S, and I saved it. And now if I press login again, I see in my list 2 logins for this website now, and I can see password for this login. I go to login, select this login, and I see password for this login. So what will happen if I put another, like a wrong key, for example, something weird here, and I'm trying to see my password. I see the password, but every time I press P to see the password, it gives me just random wrong passwords. And if I need to see my correct password, I go into set my correct key and I see the correct password. Every time if I press P, it shows me only one password. So let's create another website for testing, like something like a second.com, and login for this website. You login and generate password and save it. So I have a password. I didn't save it yet. Okay, new password. Sorry, new login and password generated. Save it. Okay, now I have login for this website. I have 2 websites in my list. If I start typing like something, it narrows down the list. So if I have many records in my list, it kind of shows you, helps you to search through this list, just starting typing here, and it will just show you only options that that will be visible, only options that starts with the same input that you already made. So let's select the website. We have 2 logins for this website. If I press D now, when the login is selected, I can delete this login. Let's press Y, and this login has been deleted. I have only 1 login for the website. If I don't select any logins here, the login entry is empty, and I press D, and so here I can delete the website itself. If I press Y, this website has been deleted, and I see only the second website in my list. So this is how it works. It's pretty simple and easy to use password manager that possible to use via SSH remote connection. So let's take a look at the code of this website. Oh, sorry, not website, app. We can open main module, and we see here that the library U courses has been used, and paperclip, and here is actually terminal user interface, what it looks like. It's a courses library, and all this code will be available on my GitHub. I will place the link in the description below. So what else interesting here? This is the engine module. It's my module where the engine of that working with the database. We can go and see it. This is the engine.py file, and we see that here is the sqlite3 library, some queries here to create tables if they don't exist, and to retrieve password, and functions to save them, to get passwords, and so on. Here's the encrypting function module. This is also my module that we can go and see it. I'm gonna do update of this module in the future because there's a kind of the newer technology already exists of cryptography instead of this one. This one is SHA-256 AES GCM, and so yeah, I'm gonna update it. So anyway, this is actually all the code. We see all these functions and everything, and this is it actually. So I wanted to show you today, and you can check out the code and use this app for you. And thanks for watching, and bye.